Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if you encounter the error DISM error 87 on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type CMD, which stands for command prompt, and you have to click on run as administrator. Do not forget to run the command as an administrator so that the command will work. Because if you're just going to open it directly, the command will not work. So run it as an administrator and type here dism space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore. So just simply follow the same thing as what I am doing. It's dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup hyphen dash image space forward slash restore health and hit enter. Now this process will take some time. There is no specific duration for this. And here's a tip. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during this process, just simply press or continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help you because there are some users that states that they are getting stuck at a certain percentage and they don't know what to do. So just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard. And once this goes up to 100%, then just simply close out of here. For the next method, type CMD. Again, in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator. And here you need to type this command sfc space forward slash scan now. It's the system file checker scan that will scan for and repair any system corrupt files and check for integrity violations. Just simply hit enter. So it's sfc space forward slash scan now. Hit enter on your keyboard, and once this goes up to 100%, this process will also take some time depending on your Windows. There is no specific duration, and once this goes up to 100%, then just simply close out of here and then finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.